Hi everyone, today I shall discuss about the electric flux as a surface integration of the electric field intensity and also about the positive electric flux and the negative electric flux. So at first we shall discuss about the electric flux as a surface integration of the electric field. Here it is written as the phi E, that is electric flux associated with any surface or electric flux passing through any surface is the closed surface integration of the scalar product of electric field vector and area vector. Or you can say in the simple way that the electric flux is the surface integration of the electric field intensity. किसी पृष्ठ से संबद्ध एवं उससे होकर गुजरने वाला वैद्युत फ्लक्स वैद्युत क्षेत्र की तीव्रता का पृष्ठीय समाकलन के बराबर होता है. What is the positive electric flux and what is the negative electric flux? If we want to understand the concept of the positive electric flux and the negative electric flux, then let us take a cylinder which is placed in the air in the electric field whose magnitude is capital A and the electric field is uniform. हम धनात्मक वैद्युत फ्लक्स और ऋणात्मक वैद्युत फ्लक्स को समझने के लिए एक ऐसे बेलनाकार चालक को किसी वायु में स्थित वैद्युत क्षेत्र जिसकी तीव्रता कैपिटल ई हो में रखा हुआ माने तो इसमें दो स्थितियां हो सकती हैं. नंबर एक इसके इस समतल पृष्ठ पर जो बाईं तरफ है इससे होकर के वैद्युत बल रेखाएं प्रवेश कर रही हैं और जो दाईं तरफ वैद्युत बल रेखाएं हैं वो इसके पृष्ठ से होकर के बाहर निकल रही हैं. मीन्स इफ वी सी एट the plane surface to the left side, the lines of force are entering into the plane, and the plane to the right hand side, lines of force are emerging out the plane. So if we consider these two cases one by one, we get the concept of the positive electric flux and negative electric flux. Okay, let us explain it. This is the cylinder. Which is placed in the electric field such that its axis is parallel to the direction of the electric field. This is the direction of the electric field and this is the axis of the cylinder. Now draw a perpendicular to this plane. This will give the direction of the area vector, and if we see the direction of the area vector and the electric vector, both are in the same direction. Electric field and area vector both are directed in the same direction. Therefore, angle subtended between the direction of the electric field and direction of the area vector is 0. Therefore, electric flux will be scalar product of the electric field vector and area vector equals mod of electric field, mod of area vector into angle subtended between the electric field direction and the area field direction with cosine value. This is E into A with a positive sign. Therefore, it is defined as the positive electric flux. जब किसी पृष्ठ से होकर के वैद्युत बल रेखाएं बाहर निकलती हैं तो उसे संबद्ध वैद्युत फ्लक्स धनात्मक होता है. When lines of force emerging out the surface, then the electric flux through this surface will be positive. Now let us consider the second case. When electric field lines are entering into the surface, we see the transverse cross section to the left hand side. हम इस पृष्ठ को लें जो बाईं तरफ स्थित है. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन्स आर एंटरिंग इनटू द सरफेस. वैद्युत बल रेखाएं इसके अंदर प्रवेश कर रही हैं. नाउ ड्रा द परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस प्लेन टू डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द एरिया वेक्टर. एरिया वेक्टर के डायरेक्शन को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस पर लंब डाला जाए जो इस दिशा में है. Now the angle subtended between the area vector and the electric vector is 180 degree. Therefore, total electric flux passing through the surface through which lines of force are entering into the surface will be closed surface integration of scalar product of the electric field vector and vector area vector equals EDA cos 180 degree. As we know, magnitude of electric field, magnitude of area vector and value of cos 180 degree, that is -1, equals -EA equals negative. It means when the lines of electric force are entering into the surface, then the electric flux associated with that surface will be negative. Then the electric flux associated with that surface will be negative. Means you can say when the lines of force are entering into the surface, then the electric flux associated with that surface will be negative. जब वैद्युत बल रेखाएं किसी पृष्ठ में होकर के प्रवेश करती हैं तो उस पृष्ठ से संबद्ध अथवा उस पृष्ठ से होकर गुजरने वाला वैद्युत फ्लक्स ऋणात्मक होता है. थर्ड केस को ले लिया जाए. एक और भी केस हो सकती है. If we draw the perpendicular to the curved surface, then the direction of area vector will be like this one, and this subtend angle of 90 degree with the direction of the electric field. Therefore, electric flux linked with the curved surface will be mod of electric field mod of area vector multiplied by cos 90, that is 0. It means if the direction of the area vector is perpendicular to the direction of the electric field, then the electric flux linked with that surface will be 0. मीन्स जब किसी पृष्ठ पर खींचे गए एरिया वेक्टर की दिशा 90 डिग्री वैद्युत क्षेत्र की दिशा से होती है तो उससे संबद्ध वैद्युत फ्लक्स 0 होता है. ओके, थैंक्स.